Obviously, I am not a musician, and these are not musical instruments. But it brings up the point of music used in videos. Pretty much all of us that are alive today have grown up with movies that use music in the background. We're conditioned to it, and it makes perfect sense. For the music tends to fill in the areas of boredom, so to speak, in movies. It makes it more interesting and more enjoyable to watch them. That's true of any video, even ones like the ones I make that are how-to videos to do various things. So I'm embarking on a very difficult task here. One, I had recently copyright claims on some of my previous videos. I have to therefore take all 21 of the previous videos I've made to date and remake them over again without the use of anybody else's music. That means all music I use has to be music I make. And that brings up the other problem. I'm not a musician. I never have been any good at playing anything. I've toyed with a guitar a few times over the years, and I kind of make some noise with a harmonica. That's the limit of my experience with music. I know nothing about how to read sheet music, so certainly anything I produce is not going to be a copy of somebody's previous production of a music through sheet music. Whatever I do will be 100% spur of the moment off the top of my head or hands or whatever in producing whatever sounds I use in the background of the videos that I now make. At this point, I've already recorded one audio track of me playing a harmonica that I have used on the Baby Booty series. At any rate, obviously, I don't know how to play this. It's in my house right now because it is used by my second son, who can play it quite well. The problem is I can't use music from this for my videos because my son, as talented as he is, would be playing music from sheet music, and sheet music is copyrighted material. So I cannot use him playing violin music for my background music in the videos. Have to try something else. Out of tune. The problem here is that when a little more than 50 years ago I bought me a guitar and I learned how to play it. I never did. And in the ensuing time between there, about halfway through that period of time, the original guitar I had was stolen out of a storage unit, showing how much I was playing it. And my wife went out and bought me a new guitar. The problem is I still haven't learned how to play it. So, even though it's a very nice instrument, I still cannot use it to make my own music for my videos. And that I can't help. Ta-da! Yeah, I can make noise with a harmonica. I never really got good at it, but I've had this around in my life longer than any other instrument. Got it very early on. In fact, it's so old that one of the reeds in here is starting to not work right. And when that happened many years ago, my wife, being a very good woman, recognized that I needed a new harmonica, so she bought this one. It's strange, for they both have the range of G, whatever that means in music. But this is what I'll be using to make my music. And since I know nothing about reading sheet music, whatever I play is going to be just strictly inspirational off the top of my head. And that is what I'm going to use in making my future videos. However, I am investing in programs and whatever else I feel I need, because I know that background music is very important in videos, and it's got to have a better quality than what I can produce. But from here on out, all videos I make, the background music will be just music, no singing, because words will distract from the video itself. It has to be just music. And that music is going to be produced by me. And I hope and pray very hard that I learn how to make music that is worth listening to, or fun to listen to, so that when I'm making my videos, those of you who are faithfully watching my videos will be able to enjoy listening to it. Now, just prior to this video, I've already played harmonica for fill-in music on the series for Baby Booties, the antique Baby Booties that my wife has been making for generations and that she learned from her ancestors. And that's it. I'm going to keep doing it this way. Thank you for your time, and I hope you all have a very wonderful life.